a case-specialized workshop, an experienced master mechanic, and your questions.
Hi everybody, and welcome to our workshop. Today, Brian sent me a picture of an engine in perfect condition with no signs of damage or wear. It's the engine of his wheel loader 821G, which has suddenly broken down. Brian asks, Ted, do you know how I could have avoided this? Dear Brian, the short answer to your question is fluid analysis. You need to think of fluids as the blood in your machine. So the easiest and cheapest way of checking the health of your machine is to analyze regularly the main fluids. Engine oils, transmission, coolants, hydraulics, and axles. How do you do that? Ask your case dealer about the fluid analysis program. Once your case dealer has taken and analysed the samples, you'll receive an easy-to-read report on a dedicated web portal. If the results are not good, your case dealer will be able to react immediately and fix the issue. This is the easiest and cheapest way to extend your machine's lifespan and avoid downtime and expensive repairs. So Brian, I'm sure that through fluid analysis, you would have been able to prevent the damage to your machine's engine and plan maintenance. Follow my advice and you won't regret it. Take Ted's word for it.